I'm saying this, I want to show you how to use MT5.
Yeah.
So MT5 is called MetaTrader 5. So if you can see anything on the screen, you can see there on the top left, we have accounts, we have the plus sign. You have lost your connection.
Yeah.
So we have on the top left, we have the accounts, the plus sign. We have this thing called, it's like kind of certificates like that. Then on the top right, we have the three dots. Can you press the three dots? No, top right. So maybe you want to, are you seeing something? Change password like that. Simple way. Yeah. So now, for example, if you have you want to change your account to maybe to another phone. If you have two phones and you want just to change, so on the bottom part of the demo account where there is written 3000 USD, so that is where you can scan and enter your password, and it will be linked to the other phone. You getting my point?
Yeah.
So now let's go at the bottom side. We have what we call the quotes, charts, trade, history, and messages. So I would like you to go to messages. Not even message. No, I know there's no messages. No, there is no messages. Now press. Now come to the top left on the three lines where there's written quotes. Now come to the mailbox. I want you to read what we call risk warning. Press that and see something. What does that shows? Ati, read for me.
Please remember that performing trading operations on the platform involves financial risks. You may lose part of all your investment. Therefore, before making a decision on a transaction, we recommend that you evaluate the risks, cost, investment goals, your expense, experience, and other factors. Consult professionals if necessary.
Consult what?
Professionals
If
necessary.
they're not most of the traders won't tell you this, and it's there. So let's go back. Go back. Go back. Go back again. Go back. No, no. Come back to now. We have the quotes. Now press the quotes. The quotes. The quotes. Now these are the things that you are trading. Like for example, this is your market. For example, if you are a business person, you have, for example, if you are selling, let me say, you have a shop. We have sugar, rice, and everything. So you wanna understand which is the right time to sell sugar. Is it in the morning, afternoon, or evening? You can say it's morning and evening. And for example, if you have, let me say, what again? Milk, the so-called those stuffs. You know when the right time to sell or to restock your stock again. So that knowledge comes when you know your market, how it's going by, and that's why you need to understand when are you willing to buy or when are you willing to sell this commodity. So these are the quotes. So to add something, you press that the plus sign on the top right. So if you want to add volatilities, we have volatility indices, so you press that. So the moment you press volatility 10, it must disappear. If you press like volatility 10, if it disappears, it has already been added on the quotes place. You getting my point? So it is being added downside there. So if you want to delete, you can come to the top right. We have a pen or a pencil symbol. then you can use that. And there is if you want to delete all, you wrong place delete on the top right. There is something of a delete symbol there. Kindly press it, or long press, yeah. Then you can select all. This is the plus, the other, no, select all. You can press, yeah, you have already selected all, so you can delete all of them if you want. Then you can add again. I think you have gotten what I've tried to show you now. You have deleted everything. So if you want to add, come to the plus sign, then look for volatilities. If, for example, we want to sell volatility 25 index. You come there to the quote and add volatility 25 index. Then you come to your chart. Come to your chart again. Go back. After adding symbol, you can add all of them there, so that it can be good for you to, yeah. So no, come to the quote again. Come to the quotes place. So if you want to go to the chart of volatility, no. If you want to go to the chart of volatility 25, you long press it. Long press V25, volatility 25. If you long press it, what are you seeing? You are seeing the order, new order. You are seeing the chart, the properties, market statistics, and simple view mode. So if you want to place to trade, now you place. You can go to the chart. You want to analyze the chart. That is. You can go to the chart. It will explain to you how the chart is looking by. Now, if you want to go to the, let me say for example, now try to place this trade. Now let me say buy volatility 25. These are demo account. Try buying. Come to the quarter and new order. Place new order. New order is you are either buying or selling. Place new order. You long press and gives you the so-called new order. Now after there, kindly listen to me very well. The talks of Jalodi, the likes of Jalodi and Sharon. I've seen Sharon is here, or she left. She's here. If you want to place your trade on your phone, before you placing anything, first write down what I'm saying. On your chart at this mode like this, make sure it's reading market execution. Kindly Ebu press there the market execution. We have around 7 things. Press there market execution. We have buy limit, sell limits, buy stop, sell stop, like that, like that, like that. So for you are a beginner, use market execution. You press trade anytime. Press market execution. Yeah, so make sure anytime you enter the market, it is market execution. You're getting my point? And on coming down, we have like 0.5, which is like a dark dull, and on the left side we have 0.5 that is a bluish. It is kind of thick. So make sure on the left it is dark, like it is gray. So that means you are risking with the lowest lot size. This is what we call lot size. 0. I usually, like for example, I say sell volatility 25 with the lot size of minimum lot size. So minimum lot size is 0.5. I'll share the lot size. Sharon, you'll do me a favor. Go to that message that I send you, the volatility lot sizes. Share that to the group. You'll share that to the group kindly. You're getting, Sharon, you'll just share to the group of the mentorship group there. You'll share so that the other people can read slowly and understand. So after that, on the top left, under the lot size, left side should be gray, all of it. Like Abu try to press on the right side. Press the first blue side, like maybe press 0.5. Are you seeing on the left side there is a kind of blue?
Yeah.
So you should ensure on the other left side it should be the minimum. You are risking minimum. So minimize it. So if you want to minimize it, you minus. Press, yeah, like that. You've already minused. So that's how you do. You're getting my point. Now, there is a place you place your stop loss and take profit. Are you seeing down there? SL is called stop loss, TP is called profit. So TP is always on your right, and stop loss is always on your left. You're getting my point? So if you have mastered that, consider now, try to buy, press buy. Down there.
Wait.
It should give out that sound. There is a sound that it has, you're getting the point. So,
Nina
after,
swali.
pardon?
Nina swali.
Ask.
I wanna go back to the nini. Hapo pa hiyo nini stop loss na
I'll
take.
go back to that. I'll explain about that. I'll go back to that. So my question, your question is where to place stop loss and take profit. If you are buying this market, what are you looking? You're looking for the market to go up. If it's red, is a loss, but you should keep on waiting. So, for example, press the trade sign here. And the next point, yeah. So you keep on waiting and see how the trade is running by. You're getting my point? So at this screen, what are you seeing? You are seeing the trade, and you're seeing the arrow sign, top ascending and descending sign, and you're seeing the plus sign there. And now don't consider that. Consider the trade. Is it giving you blue? Keep on waiting like that. Now there is a balance, equity, margin, free margin, margin level. So what does that mean? Balance means, for example, at your M-Pesa account, you have 3,000 Kenyan shillings right now. So your balance is 3,000. What happens when if I add you 6,000? Now your balance will equals to 9,000. So what about if you send me 500 shillings? Now your equity will be 2,500. Is it so? So the balance is the initial amount that you have before starting any trade. Then the equity, it will be what it has been added or subtracted on your account balance. You're getting my point? So the balance is the initial amount that you have before anything happens in your account. Then the equity will be your any amount that you have before adding or subtracting. That's the equity. Then the free margin means we come to the margin. Margin, it is before sending me that 500 shillings, you must have more than 500 shillings plus for the sake of transaction. So you must have 500 shillings plus transaction cost so that I can get that 500 shillings. Is it so? So that's what you call margin. So for you to open this trade, you must have 0.36, 0.26 or what? 0.26. Yeah, account in your trade, in your MT5 that this trade should run. You must have this account. Then free margin means how many trades, like you can use divide by 2.9999 divided by 0.26 margin. So you have almost 2,000 trades to place here with this capital that you have of $3,000. So you see, if you have large account, you have high chance of opening many trades to get more profits. So don't be bothered with the free margin. You learn more about that. So what you need to know here is just the trade. The trade, is it running blue or negative? You're getting the point. Now Let's go to another point. Come back to the charts. Now there is when come back to the charts. So what are you seeing there? Kinda try to enlarge. Press those candlestick at the chart, enlarge something like that. Yeah. So we have this, the red and green thing are candlestick. I hope you know that. Now on the top right we have numbers. Huh? We have 2097 point something. You have those numbers like that. You're getting my point?
Yeah.
So those are called market prices. So if you want to know how many profit or losses will you get, you'll minus where you enter the trade is. Like for example, you bought 0.5 at the blue line is 2020, or is what is the price there?
2090.
2090 minus the current price. Where is it? 2088. 2088 times 0.5. That's your profit. It's either your profit or your loss. So if you minus 2090 from 2088 times 0.5, you will get is almost 2. Is it correct? 2 times 0.5, you can get is 1. So come to your trade, place your trade. You can see you're almost negative 1. Come to the trade part there, here. It will be almost that. Now that's how you know how to trade. So I've just given a normal arithmetic. So you minus that, come to the chart. So you minus 2090 from this, the current price that it is there, times 0.5. So that's your current thing that you can do. And if you want to place your,
Hii 0.5 unatoa wapi?
is 0.5 the loss that we used the other time?
The loss.
The lot size.
The lot size.
Yeah. Before you press this trade, I told you make sure on the right side.
Yeah. I get it.
Yeah. So come to the charts. At the charts, this trade is we have bought this trade. So if I'm asked, if you have bought this trade, are you expecting this trade to go up or down? What's your expectation?
Iende chini.
Are you okay? You are buying this market, you want to make profits.
Oh
You're
yeah,
buying.
if I'm buying, I'm expecting it iende juu.
Yeah. So where should be
If
your
I'm selling,
stop
I'm
loss?
expecting it iende chini.
So where should be your stop loss? Stop loss. And your take profit. Where should be your take profit? Is it up or down?
Up.
So your profit, if you're buying this thing, profits are always up. And losses should be low. Like you're putting your stop loss below. So do this, kindly. I want you to set your stop loss and take profit. Now press that, the so-called buy here, the written, no, on the right side, on the left side we have the buy thing, press that buy, the blue thing that it has written buy. Yeah, what are we seeing there? You are seeing X, close, stop loss and take profit. Is it so? Now
Yeah.
if you are seeing that, now I want you now to do this, to press the so-called SL there. Are you seeing something? Now where should your stop loss be? Down. So now if you are moving this stop loss, kind of press that, the zero thing downwards. Press that, yeah, like that, pole pole to down. So you're seeing your stop loss will be, like for example, wait there, it will be stop loss 1.12. So if you want to, for example, I've said sell volatility 25 at lot of 0.5, stop loss at 2086. So you move down to 2086, you move down to that. You have read something like that, yeah. Then I can say take profit is 2097 plus TP. Yeah, move TP 2097. Just move to 2097. Yeah, like that. So at a place where it has written TP, you can see 3.52. So that will be your profits. And if it comes down toward your trade, it will be you have lost 1.8. You're getting my point?
Yeah.
So that's how stop loss and take profit is done. Now press enter, the blue arrow here. Modify. Are you seeing? Wait first. Are you seeing something there at your nini? Your stop loss and take profit is already done. So modify. Press modify. Now it's just like this. So if this trade comes towards down here to your SL, it will close automatically. And if it comes back to TP, it will close automatically. Automatic close. So if it goes up to this TP, so you'll have already got how many? Press this TP. Kindly press the TP part there. Press the TP. Yeah, so you'll have gotten 3.52 US dollars. That's almost 400 shillings. And down here is 1.8. You'll have lost around 180 shillings. So if you have knowledge, you can adjust this stop loss to maybe to say like $5 to get around $20. That comes with experience and knowledge and what it takes. So it's as simple as that. You're getting my point? It's just simple as that. Now, after knowing that, what else? I don't think if there is something that is hard for you to understand. Now, come back to the trade. So if I say, for example, close that trade, you long press this trade, like try to long press this trade, volatility 25. Yeah, you are seeing something. Close, modify. Now modify is when you want to place your TP and stop loss. Yeah. And new order, you can add another trade if you want. Now, if you want to go to the chart, you can see to the chart again. Now, down here we have what we call bulk operations. So, bulk operations, we have three options. We have, if you want to close profitable trades, for example, if you open, like, let me say 6 trades, you want to close profitable, you want to close losing, or you want to close all trades. So that's where it happens. Because sometimes you can see someone has opened almost 10 trades, and you ask yourself, how does he close one by one and it's making loss or profits? So you can say accept and say okay. So it will close everything if you want. Now, for example, if you have do this, kindly have place new orders like around 3 trades. Say place buy like that around 3. Around 3. Yeah. Do again. Another one. So no, it's okay. So now come to the long press and then go to the bulk operation. Bulk operation. You will see something. It's saying close all positions, close profitable position, close losing position, close buy position, close V25, close. You are seeing. So it's upon you to choose. Are you closing profitable position? So if it's profitable position, close profitable position, close, press close position. Yeah, you're seeing it's closed already. Now you have the losing position. Now you can see there at your balances 3000.34. So it has accumulated again at the balance. This trade it was a demo account. Now it's a demo account. Now it is plus 0.34. You're getting my point? Yeah. Now I think now I can go to the charts. Come back to the charts. Now, if you want to draw the rectangles, the arrows, yeah, the everything now, press this chart, any place on that chart. You are seeing something, huh? You are seeing M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, MM, MN. MN is monthly, W1 is weekly, D1 is daily, H4 4 hours, like that. M30, 30 minutes, like that, up to minute 1. Now, press again. Now, after M1, we are coming to something like a rope. Leave along that. That is a sign of indicators. Don't use that. Now we have the plus sign. Press the plus sign. So the plus sign, press the plus sign. So it will be helping you to see how this thing is moving. You are seeing? Now, if you can press that screen with one of your hand at the center of that thing and use two hands to bisect this, you'll see something like you're bisecting something. Are you seeing something like that? So this is what people normally call pips. 1.1.9 like that is called pips, like that. You have heard people saying pips. So if you want to know pips, it's useful when you can take, for example, move it higher. Try to move it higher. Yeah. For example, if that trade can come up to there, hold on there. If this trade can buy up to there, you're seeing, is it 19 stroke?
19 stroke 3.625.
So 19 means from this middle point where this the arrow comes is it is 19 candlestick. This candlestick will be 19. Then stroke 3 point, is it 3 point something?
3.25.
So 3.25 is the what we call pips. So you'll use 8 point, I'm saying 8 point something, 8 point something times 3 point, I mean times 0.5. So we have a lot of ways to get your profits. So you can use this one or you can use the other one of stop loss and TP. So I normally use the other one, stop loss and TP, moving that like that. It just give the correct thing. You're getting the point. So this is acting as your cursor. For example, if you have your laptop, this is acting as your cursor, moving it down and up like that, like that. I think you are getting my point.
Yeah.
Is it correct? Now,
Yeah.
if you want to remove it, I know it can't move there. Even if you cry, it won't move there. It remains there. So if you want to remove it, you come on the top side, there is a plus sign like that, up side. Press it and it will move away. Yeah. So if you want to add it, you press again and remove it. You're getting the point. Then after the plus sign, you have the rope sign indicator, leave along that, achana nayo. Now come to M5, that's the time frame, you are at M5. You are seeing there, volatility index, you are at M5 time frame. M5 time frame. You're getting my point. Now, after that, you have something like a circle and something like a rectangle. Press that circle part. No, the circle part. So
The
it will move.
circle.
Yeah, like the kind of circle, the blue red thing, the circle part. You're seeing it's giving you the stop loss and everything. So is the other way you can, apart from pressing the buy and it gives the stop loss and take profit, you can do like that. Now let's remove it. Press again. Yeah. Now come to the rectangle part. So the rectangle part is not, it's the other way that you can use it to place a trade. For example, if you want to buy or sell, instead of going to the new order, you can just sell there and buy there. And most of the time I don't use this one. I normally go to the new order. So don't use this one until the time. So if you want to remove it again, you press the rectangle part. Yeah, don't use that one. I don't advise people to use that one. Now press our big circle again. No, not the circle that has the time frames and everything. Press it. It's on the chart. Just press the chart. The big circle, the round circle, yeah, this one. So we have these called shapes. It's like the shape. We have the circle, rectangle, triangle. This just after the plus, we have the the lines, and we have the shape. Press hiyo kitu inakaa kama shape, the shape side. So there you can add, I normally use the trend line, horizontal, and the rectangle. So you can use this arrow to direct your point the way I normally show on the chart. So you are seeing what you are moving. Now it has 3 points. We have the 0 point at the tip of that line, the middle point, and the back point. So the middle point is for carrying it. Kindly try to press the middle point. No, not pressing, just like you're moving it. It will move like you are carrying it. Are you seeing it? So you're moving it. Now try to place the front tip. The front tip is for enlarging it to become tall. No, press the front tip where there is an arrow point.
Wait. Kidole yangu imekataa.
The front tip. Long press that arrow. Now take at the front tip.
Kidole ateleza.
Wipe your screen. Wipe your screen. Where there is the arrow on the top side, the way you used to carry that thing, try to move it. Yeah, at the top we have the 3 dots, the white dots, the back side, middle one, and the front side. So I want you to press the front side. The front side will enlarge it to become tall, like the long side, and the back side will enlarge to the back side. You'll do it. That's a homework for you. Now go to the arrow point. To the to the our big circle again. To our big circle. To the shapes again. Now I want you to search for the rectangle. Place the plus sign. Scroll down. You look for the rectangle part. We have the rectangle. Place the rectangle. Yeah. So if you have pressed the rectangle, it's there. Try to tap the screen. You'll see. Do it again. You never used it. You just added. Yeah.
It's here.
Where is it?
At the top corner, right corner.
Where's the rectangle? Yeah, now try to use it. Now this is like a workbook. Use it to try to bring here. To bring at the middle point. Just tap it. Bring it here, down here.
Nikitapa yapotee.
Bring it. Now, where? Wait. Now, long press this rectangle. Long press this rectangle. We go to settings. Long press this rectangle. Now, at the settings there, yeah, you are seeing something on the top screen. You are seeing a pen like and a book like. That's a copying and pasting something, and a delete sign. So if you want to delete, you can press that delete. Now you want to go to changing of the color. Now press that plus sign. Kalamu, the pen sign. So at the pen sign, we want to change your color, your favorite color. For example, go to the pixel there. Pick your favorite color. Faster. Now, fill it. Come there on the top side. Fill it. It will be purple. Fill it.
I save.
No, wait first. I think we have the fill it, then save. It will change to purple like that. So that's how it's done. So long press and delete it again and pick another. No, just like that. So now add a rectangle. Pick a rectangle and add on the chart. Now we have wait first. Wait. Are you seeing on the top there is something like a white tip of the corner and the white tip at the corner, and at the middle we have something. So the middle point is for carrying it. Use the middle point to try to squeeze it down. It will move down. You move it as you are just moving it the way at the exact price. Are you getting my point? Now use the tip at the top to enlarge it at the top. Press that tip at the way you pressed at the middle point. That's how you can move it. Are you seeing it's moving toward the other side? Now try to use the tip at the lower side. Make sure the tip is there, it's reading white.
Yeah.
Make sure there is a tip at the right side, it's like kind of white, and move it. Yeah, simple like that. Before you press anything, make sure it is highlighted. Now that's highlighting it, and move it. Simple. Now press that, delete it. Long press there, long press the rectangle. I usually say if you long press, make sure the white thing up there. The white thing, the kind of white stuffs. Press that white thing. Either the middle point or the lower point. It will automatically saying there. Long press it. Try to tap it. It will have, tapping it is highlighting. Then you long press that thing. First, you tap it. Then you tap it. Then after tapping it, we have the
Mikono yangu inakataa.
tap it. Tap that rectangle. Any place you can tap, at any place. You are tapping the buy. After tapping it, there is a white thing. At the white thing will happen at the top and the left. The top, the
Initially
bottom,
highlight. Second delete.
delete. Yeah, simple, just like that. And that's how MetaTrader 5 is used. So I don't know if you have mastered the concept or not.
I'll have to repeat.
Nice. Now there is no. I've been recording this session, and I'll be cutting one to post on YouTube, TikTok, like that, somewhere. Simple thing. Yeah. So can come back to your trades here like that. You can see that's your profit 1.27. You can withdraw that amount, but it's a demo account, you can't withdraw. So 1.34, it's almost 200 shillings, because the dollar currently is 124 for withdrawal, times 1.43. You can get the point. It's almost 160. Yeah, so that's the amount if it was a real account. Simple way. That's the amount you have done since we start talking. Now, come to the history. Are you seeing something? As I told you to close, it's normally appears here. Now, at the top point, we have something like a calendar. So if you press that calendar, you're seeing your trades for the last week, last month, last 3 months, custom period. So that's how it is. So for today, the trade that you placed today is buy like that you closed before. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's how it is, and that's how to use MetaTrader 5. And most of the people, it can take them even 1 year to know how to use MetaTrader 5. Why? Because they are resistant to pay for mentorship or to have someone to teach them. You're getting my point? You can ask even your friends. If Jalodi, you can ask, how long did you take? You know, Jalodi knows how to use MetaTrader. How long did you take for you to know MetaTrader 5 using? How long did it take? Hello, Jalodi, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
How long did it take for you to understand to use MetaTrader 5?
Like 2 weeks or a week.
So my question is, but as for you, you are persistent. Every day you are learning every day.
Yeah.
So 2 weeks, imagine 2 weeks, that's half a month. Huh? And for you, Lorena, it has taken you 40 minutes. That explains what?
I
And
think
that
when
means
somebody explains to you,
if
it's much easier.
if you keep on learning, like for example, the video that I'm recording, that means if you go it again, like let me say 3 times, that is almost 2 hours. You'll grasp the concept in one day. So that's the good part of mentorship and how it takes. Something that you could have achieved in maybe 1 month, you are achieving it in 1 week. Something that you could have known for 1 week, you are knowing it in one day. Something that you could have known in one day, you are knowing it in 1 hour. What you could have known in 1 hour, you are knowing it in 1 minute. So make sure you go back to learn and grasp the knowledge and the concept. For now, I don't have any question, and unless if you have any question, you can